through. Straighten this bottom leg out. Get this one right here. Get this one right here. Get good rotation all the way through. Lumbar, sacrum, hip. Okay. Good. Other side. That was good. Yeah, you got a lot of tension. Straighten this one right there. Get that right there. All you towards the middle. Gotcha. Beautiful. Okay?
Yeah.
We're going to stand up.
All right.